Good morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
So if you guys have been following the channel, you know that the RV is so close to being road ready.
Close.
We've put so much blood, sweat, and tears into this thing. The engine's getting worked on. We've got a little bit more stuff to do on the inside, but it's also given us a lot of time to just reflect and just think about what's next for the channel. What's next for us in our lives? What's the next phase, you know?
What should the endless adventure do next? Hey, you want to renovate another RV?
You know what? Yeah, that sounds like a completely normal, not crazy thing to do.
Let's do it! So, I know what you all are thinking. You're probably thinking we are crazy people.
Well, we are crazy, you're right, obviously. I think that's become clear, right?
Because it took us over a year to renovate our current RV and we're not quite done with that. And you're thinking, haven't you learned your lesson? But we haven't.
It's not quite what you're thinking. We wanted to make this video to kind of explain it all to you, tell you guys what's coming up, and most importantly, how this time around, you guys are going to get the chance to get much more involved in the process. Ooh, foreshadowing. What does it mean? We've actually been invited to participate in a brand new event that is going to be happening out in Colorado in September. It's called Gutted. Appropriately.
Very appropriate.
It involves gutted vehicles.
So Gutted is happening September 8th through 12th, and there are going to be 3 teams competing against each other. One is going to be doing a schoolie build, one is going to be doing a van build, and then there is our team that is going to be doing an RV build.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna be number 1, baby.
It's a fight to the death, so no one else will survive.
So it's a competition. All the 3 teams are going to be competing to create the best build, and this is happening over 5 days. I know what you're thinking now as well. You guys are double crazy, because that's impossible.
It's gonna be so great, but we have a whole team.
That's right, it's gonna be 3 teams of 7 that are all gonna be competing together, so it's not just gonna be us alone against the world, failing miserably.
Our team will be comprised of some very expert people, some maybe more novice people, but people who have done things like this before, who will be bringing their own strengths and weaknesses, because we're gonna need a lot of strengths.
We're bringing the weaknesses.
Wait, weaknesses here.
They're also going to have experts on site to help us out when we get in a really tight jam. So we're really hoping that we can move a little bit quicker than we typically move when we're working, especially having a whole team, right?
A whole team, it's gonna be so great and fun.
Yeah. So a little bit more about Gutted. It is this whole event that is centered around the competition, and they're actually gonna be filming the competition. So there's gonna be a whole production crew. They're gonna be making kind of a reality show out of it. But more importantly, you guys can attend. And you can come and watch us. Watch the whole production of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Is that crazy or what?
Gutted will be taking place outside of Alamosa, Colorado. It's this beautiful area.
It's right next to the Great Sand Dunes National Park. So there's these epic, huge dunes that you are actually gonna be able to go on and do dune surfing and all kinds of awesome stuff.
And if you have a rig or a van or a school bus or anything, you can come and stay there. There's gonna be tons of people camping out, and you can actually work on your own rig if you'd like to. They're gonna have workshops, they're gonna have tools there.
Yeah, professional tools. They'll have experts there. They'll have not experts there. They're also gonna have different workshops and panels where you can learn about van life and nomad life and all kinds of stuff. If you wanna learn more about that, you can go to the link that's on the screen right now to learn all about the event. You can actually go to gutted.com/what-to-expect, and it's gonna tell you exactly what to expect.
Don't worry though, if you don't have a van or a rig or anything, you can actually come out there and camp. There's free camping all over the area. So you can come and attend no matter what you live in or sleep in or what you're doing in life. Come on out.
Our plan is to drive our RV out there and stay in it. So
our completed RV.
Completed-ish RV. But during the day, we're actually going to be participating in the competition, as we mentioned. But we did want to make some time to have just a little meetup or something where you guys can come and check out the RV or say hi to us or something like that. Details are TBD, but it will happen during the event.
So you can actually come and step inside our old gal and see what we did and
be impressed or not impressed? I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
It'll be fun. We'll keep it real tidy for you though.
If you get your tickets now, the price is $150. But after August 1st, it's gonna go up to $175. So we wanted to make this video really quick and get it out so that you guys had a little bit of time to get the cheaper early bird pricing. We planned to announce this a while back, but we hadn't been able to finalize things because stuff has been so chaotic working on the RV, trying to get the engine work done, working through the details of the competition. But it's all finalized now, you guys. We're in it. We're doing it.
It's real and it's happening.
And we hope to see you there. We have to talk about the RV that we're gonna be working on. It is a Class A, it is a 1986 Allegro, and it is a beaut.
It's so adorable.
Yeah.
It's so silly.
It's a really good year too. Do you know why?
That's the year this kid was born.
Yeah, 1986. This RV came into existence, and so did I.
Aw.
Needs a little bit of work on the outside, but we're not gonna be worrying about that stuff. They're gonna take care of that for us. Ours is gonna be mainly on the inside, and they have already completely gutted the inside, if you guys can believe that.
Blank freaking slate.
Yeah.
Oh geez.
But that's the idea, it's gutted. So
Yeah.
the school bus rig's gonna be gutted, the van's gonna be gutted, and the RV is gutted, baby. Now it's up to us to ungut it. So those are the details of the gutted event. We hope to see you guys out in Colorado to watch us crash and burn or be incredibly triumphant. It could go either way. You
Come
guys
cheer us on. We're gonna need some cheering.
we will need it.
Yeah, we figure, you don't get very many opportunities like this in life, and why not just say yes and see what the heck happens?
Yeah, and you guys know, for us, it really is just about the learning process. We've learned so much throughout this year, but we still have so much more to learn. So we just figure they're gonna have people there who know a lot more than us that we can learn from, and we're gonna cram a lot into those 5 days.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. It'll be hectic for sure, but it's such a cool and unique idea. We just couldn't pass it up.
But like we mentioned, all the details will be in the description below, and we'll have a link on the screen right now that you can go check out and learn all about the event and hopefully attend. Now for part 2 of this video, we really just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the travel that's coming up, because it's actually been really hectic planning it all, but things are finally coming together and we can share with you what's coming up for the rest of the year.
I feel like the month of July has been mostly us just being like, ah, what are we doing?
Yeah, it's been pretty hectic.
Now we finally know, and so we can share with you.
So we're currently in Chicago. You guys know that the RV is at the mechanic getting worked on. There's been a bit of a delay, as kind of in the back of my mind I expected it. Some parts took a while to get there. There were some other snags. So it's gonna need to be up here for a little bit longer. Wah wah. We're pretty sad about it. But we gotta press forward, you guys. We actually are going to probably hang in Chicago for a little bit, but after that we had plans to go down to New Orleans and do some fun stuff there.
We thought we would be doing that trip with our RV. That is not the case. So we're just gonna go anyway because it won't be done in time. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun. Then we'll head back up to Chicago. We'll grab the RV. We'll drive it down. We'll do our finishing touches, which won't take too long, hopefully.
Hopefully.
And then we will be headed out to Colorado for the gutted event. But before that, we are sneaking in another trip. Y'all, we are gonna be flying to Germany.
Yeah, we are. Are you guys sufficiently confused about our upcoming plans? This is why it's been so hectic, you guys. We were invited to go to Germany and film some videos for a travel magazine there. We'll share all the details about that later on, and we really want to take you guys along on that trip because we're actually gonna be taking an electric camper van all the way across Germany. We really didn't want to pass this up because it sounds like an amazing trip. You guys know we love road trips, and a road trip across Germany.
All the way out through France to the Atlantic. We're gonna do it in 2 weeks, so it's gonna be it's a lot, but we're gonna hopefully film a lot for you guys.
And then we're gonna head back, and then we're going to renovate an RV. So those are our upcoming plans, you guys. Is this all gonna work? I don't know. Yes, it will. It's gonna work. We're gonna make it happen. If you believe, you can make anything happen.
I kind of feel like we're getting back to our old lifestyle where we would pop around all over the world, going from Southeast Asia to Vegas to Europe to South America.
Yeah. Another reason we really wanted to do this is because it's gonna be our first international travel since COVID. It's been like a year and a half since we've been on a plane.
It's wild.
I never thought that would ever happen.
No.
And I'm sure you guys have had a lot of things happen from COVID that you were like, I never thought that would happen. I mean, the whole world being in a lockdown, I never thought that would happen.
Nope. This whole last year has been a doozy, but we're really excited to get back out there. We're gonna see castles, we're gonna eat delicious food. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. And then after that, it's kind of up in the air. I mean, the RV should be ready, it'll be on the road, and we're gonna figure out where we're traveling to at that point. Why don't you guys let us know in the comments, where do you want us to travel to first after Colorado?
Yeah.
So that's it. Life update over. We're actually about to check out of this Airbnb, and we have about 30 minutes, so we're trying to wrap this up really quickly. Nothing like leaving videos to the absolute last minute.
All right. Goodbye, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.